Most people get this wrong. They think Chime Credit Builder is a magic tool that instantly boosts your credit, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is expecting fast results without understanding how it actually reports to credit bureaus. In this video, we are breaking down Chime Credit Builder in 2026 and answering the real question. Does it actually work for building credit? Let's start with the simple truth. Yes, Chime Credit Builder does work, but only if you use it correctly. It is not a traditional credit card. It is a secured credit builder account connected to your Chime spending account. Now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of borrowing money like a normal credit card, you move money into your credit builder account and use that balance for purchases. Then, Chime reports your activity to credit bureaus like Experian and TransUnion. So let's break it down step by step. First, how it actually builds credit. Every time you use your Chime Credit Builder card, the payment is backed by the money you already moved into the account. That means there is no interest and no traditional debt risk. For someone like Alex who is starting from zero credit, this creates a simple way to build payment history without worrying about debt traps. But here's the problem most beginners miss. Chime does not increase your credit score instantly. It builds your payment history over time, and consistency is what matters most. Now let's talk about credit reporting. Chime reports activity to major credit bureaus, which is the key reason it works. If it did not report, it would have no impact on your credit score at all. In a minute, I'll explain how fast people typically see results, and what factors influence the speed of credit growth. Second, credit utilization. Because you are spending your own money, utilization is controlled. This helps reduce risky credit behavior and keeps your account stable. For someone like Jake who struggles with credit cards, this system helps avoid overspending while still building credit history. Now let's talk about results in 2026. Most users start seeing changes within a few months if they use the card regularly and make consistent transactions. But the size of the improvement depends on your full credit profile, not just Chime alone. So does Chime Credit Builder really work? Yes, it works. But it works best as a foundation tool, not a complete credit solution. It helps you build payment history, but you still need other credit accounts to grow a strong score long term. Let's make it simple. Chime Credit Builder works by reporting your spending activity backed by your own money. It builds credit through consistent usage, not borrowing power or credit limits. Let's summarize everything clearly. Chime Credit Builder is a real and effective credit building tool in 2026. It helps beginners build payment history safely using their own funds. But it works best when combined with other credit building tools over time. If this helped you understand Chime Credit Builder in 2026, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit breakdowns like this.